Have you ever met Miss Lindy? She's a gal with the bright red hair. Now she stands high from all the rest.